Everyone, welcome to episode number 16. We are going to discuss about the journal on mechanical engineering, computer science as well. So you can comment your subject name. Please specify the subject name clearly. Don't specify the subdomain. Like you have to specify the subject name like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, like that. Okay, so I can definitely discuss the journal and also specify the database which you are looking for, like UGC care, Annexure 1, SCI, VOS, like that. So it will be easy for me to check. And you can also check the link in the description for more useful information. Before we proceed, please first go and subscribe my channel so that you will get a lot of informations about your journal. So I have already uploaded various journal list here. Please go and check here first. And also I have another playlist which is all about the research. You will find various information videos to do your research hassle free. And here you have a skill up page where it will be easy for you to find the free courses, internship opportunities for your students, job opportunities, and everything. And if you have any queries related to research and if you want to connect with me, you can schedule a call here. So research queries, certifications, ask me anything. So if you have wanted to understand about interview preparations, resume review, or anything, you can just connect with me here. Okay, let us go to the journal, and we will be checking all these things which you should also consider before you submit your journal and submit your article in any journal. So this is a Scopus Index journal, that is Journal of Manufacturing Science and Engineering. This is what we are going to discuss today. And the very first thing which you have to do is what, cross check the Scopus database. Why I am telling this is why, because I am explaining this, I am discussing this particular video on April 2024. And if you are watching this video after 3 months, then it is good to go and cross check in the Scopus, because Scopus will update the list of journals every quarter. So you can just every quarter of the year, so you can just go ahead, it should be present. Okay, so the first one which we have satisfied, and the next one is what we have to check the scope of the journal. So this is the scope of the journal: engineering, mechanical engineering, engineering industrial and manufacturing engineering, control systems and engineering, computer science and application. So whether your article is under this scope, you can just go ahead. Third one, once you have selected, why you have to check the ISSN and ESSN number. So every journal has its own ISSN, unique ISSN and ESSN number. Usually in Scopus, they will be mentioning the journal link as well, but nowadays they are not specifying it here. So of course you have to go and cross check it in the Google search. But what happens sometimes, the clone journal, you may enter into the clone journal list as well. So once you have opened the journal, you have to just go ahead and cross check the ISSN and ESSN number of the journal. I have also discussed about how to identify the clone journal in this particular playlist. You can go ahead and watch that. So here, once if you click on the link, so you can see that this is the ISSN number 10871357. So you can see 10871357, and also ESSN number as well. Okay, and also cross check the journal name. So we have cross check, so this is also fine. Then you have to check for the fee of the journal, so because which is very very important. So fee, how you can do, either in few journal they'll be mentioning directly like this is what the publication charges. If they haven't, if you cannot see that, you can just go and check here, submit, and click on the information for the authors. So once if you click on the information for the authors, you can definitely find the information for the publication fee. So you can either search for publication charges. So here it is, you have publication charges. Click on this publication charges, where it will take you to the fee information. Okay, so here you can find what is the publication charges. There are no charges to submit and publish standard research paper. Okay, this is the length of the research paper they are mentioning. It should be usually 6,000 to 10,000 words with 5 to 8 figures or tables. Okay. And pay charges do not apply for this particular journal. And if you wanted to go with the following thing, like if you wanted to print it in the color, if you wanted to typeset paper longer than the standard journal page, what is the longer than the standard journal page is 6,000 to 10,000, which means like 5 to 6 pages. Okay, if you want to go beyond that, then you have to pay the fee. If you want to make it as an open access, or if you need reprints, so in these cases you should pay the additional fee. Okay, so color print, they are charging this. You can find more about it. Cost $100 per figure. For one figure, you have to pay $100. And excess of pages. Okay, so charges are accessed for the number of pages beyond the length of 12. Okay, 12 printed articles, very good. If your paper is going beyond 12, then you have to pay the cost. So they have mentioned 200 per page, $200 per page. If you want to make your journal open access, then this is the cost. Okay, if it is a reprint, then you have to just make it like this. Okay, so this is what the cost mentioned here. So there is no cost if you want to go with the normal page limit, and no black and white, there is no charges. So we have also discussed about the fee. Now let us go to the author guideline. So you can see here the complete author guidelines here. So author guidelines will be there. You can just select, you can download the template. So you can find the author guidelines and the information for the authors as well. The same link, if you can just check here the downloads, Word template and the latex template. Okay. And the next one is what the plagiarism policy. You can see the complete information here about the plag policy. Just type plagiarism. So avoiding plagiarism and self plagiarism. What is the plagiarism screening? Everything they have given here. So next one is what you have to check for any special issue. Is there any special issue for in this particular journal? You can check for that. If special issues, they will be mentioning somewhere around here. So call for papers. So you can find the special issue for the call for papers here. This is what there is no deadline. February 23, 2024. So this is April 1, 2024. September 30, 2024. You can find the special issues here. Okay, so you cannot assure that all the journal will be having the special issue, but of course you can find whether they have a special issue or not. And if you have any other questions which is not listed here, you can find any FAQ, whether they have any FAQs. Most probably most of the journals will not, every journals will not have FAQs, few journals will have FAQs. So you can find more about and the information to the author here as well. Okay, so just you click on the information for authors, you can find more information. Whatever you want, just go and screen it. You have to read everything. Take some time to understand the journal. And also you can find additional charges which we have checked. So the important thing which you have to understand is what you have to find. So what I would request you is what, like, first, whatever the journal you are selecting, okay, go and understand the journal clearly before, because this is where we are lagging. We will not spend time to understand the journal. Whatever the questions you have, just list down the questions and try to get the answers from the journal link itself, or else if you are not getting it, please go and send a mail to the editor and get the information. And once you are 100% fine to submit the article, then please go ahead. Okay, so if you have any queries, please schedule a call. The link is in the description, you can find it. And you can also comment your subject name in the journal. I'll meet you soon in the next episode. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.